Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're on a supported desktop browser, Chrome or Edge, because mobile apps handle themes differently. Next, install a reputable dark mode extension such as Dark Reader. Once installed, enable it. Make sure Docs. Google. Com is allowed or added to the extension site list, so the extension will actively invert or apply dark styles. Once done, toggle the extension's global switch to on and test a sample document. This first step prepares Google Docs to receive dark styling immediately. You now refine the look so text and images remain legible. Open the extension panel and choose Filter or Dynamic mode. Filter preserves image colors better. Dynamic offers complete theme changes. Then adjust brightness, contrast, and sepia until white backgrounds turn to deep gray and text stays crisp. Make sure to tweak font smoothing or contrast for monospace blocks. Once tuned, save a preset specifically for Docs. Google. Com and confirm the preset applies only to Google Docs, so other sites aren't unintentionally altered. You finish by verifying exports and edge cases. Open a document, check Print Preview and export to PDF because some dark filters don't carry over. If exports look wrong, temporarily disable the extension before exporting. If dark mode fails or flickers, disable other extensions that alter page styles and clear browser cache, then reload Docs. Once done, open an incognito window with only the dark mode extension enabled to isolate conflicts. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals the culprit fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.